Hey everybody, how's it going? So we got a quick unboxing to do on this box and item I picked up from eBay. Should be the power antenna assembly and mast for the 2004 Runner Limited SR5 base model. They all had the same antenna, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? Alright, before we get started, please like, comment, and subscribe for future updates. Alright, so this should be the OEM Toyota antenna mast and motor assembly. So OEM Toyota. I picked this up from eBay from a guy that I purchased this antenna mast assembly and motor before from him. I just went through my orders. This I ordered for the SR5 like 10 years ago. It showed up on my eBay of one of my older orders. I went back to see if I can order another one from the gentleman, and he had like 15 more. So I purchased it from him. Yep, this is the antenna mast motor and mast. Box is empty. Oops, dropped the light. Right. Swear this light, I'm surprised it hasn't broken on me yet as many times as if I dropped it. Alright, so it actually came in, just like the last time, came in a Toyota Genuine Parts, Lexus Genuine Parts box. Lexus and Toyota. Part number for this antenna assembly motor, that's what it's called. 86300-35111. So if you're looking between 1996 and 2002 4Runners, they all came with this exact assembly. It's the whole motor assembly, and it comes with the antenna and everything. If you're looking for this on eBay, I will leave a link on this video in the description below to the exact listing that I got this from. He gets these all the time. He's a great guy. Always very speedy in getting it to you. And excuse me, sorry, still a little sick. And it always comes in the OEM original box, which is always an awesome plus. So I'll fold these wings back in. This is the whole assembly. Comes with the bracket and everything. Move these aside. Even comes with the tape and the bag and everything. Bracket, brand new bracket. So this is what goes in the back of your stereo that you got to feed through the firewall. Even has a brand new grommet for the firewall. And another plus, on top of that, it also has a brand new nut. This nut right here. So these two pieces right here actually go on the quarter panel. You slide this up through the quarter panel, back behind the quarter panel. You put this guy on top of the quarter panel, and then you lock this nut down. And it locks it to the quarter panel. So comes with everything you need, OEM plug, everything that's needed to install this, which is awesome. Including new foam around this guy that sits in the dash, which is awesome. So now it's got the antenna mast in it as well. So it actually has the antenna in it. On top of that, I have an OEM antenna mast sitting here. Which is this guy right here. So this is the actual antenna mast that's actually already assembled in this housing. This one it's called the Rod and Pipe Shield. It's the antenna mast. It is part number 86337-35111. This one, I'm gonna keep as a spare because I totally forgot this came with an antenna mast. And then I also have the one that was in the Limited. When I took the motor out of the Limited, I actually took this motor right here and took it apart, thinking that this piece right here was broken. Come to find out, there was plastic gears in the motor that was broken, which is why this antenna would not go back up. All the teeth are still attached, so this can be reused. So this one, I'm going to insert into the SR5 4Runner's antenna, because when I flipped the truck, this antenna was up and it bent like right here. So that one's no longer usable, but this one is perfectly usable. So I'm going to insert this one in the 4Runner to restore the antenna. Take the old one out, and then this one right here, because I technically have 3 now. So this one right here, that's in the bag, OEM Toyota, this one I am going to keep as a spare in case this one in the Limited, this antenna has an issue or it breaks down the road. I can replace the antenna mast in this motor. This one's going to go in the SR5. And then if this is needed for the SR5 instead of needed for the Limited, well, I have 2 of them, so it's not a big deal at all. And I just took one of the little inserts from one of the packages I got and put the antenna in here. And I'm going to end up doing a video with all these Toyota parts all in one video that I picked up, especially all the parts for the rack and pinion. I replaced everything that had to do with the power steering system. So I replaced the outer tie rods, inner tie rods, replaced the steering rack, all the bushings. I got new power steering lines from Toyota. I'll give you guys the part numbers on that in that parts video. I replaced this low side return coupler for the hose. I replaced all the hardware, so these bolts right here, these nuts, this washer, the copper washers for the banjo bolt. The only thing I didn't replace was the banjo bolt. I got new bushings for the control arm, or the sway bar. You know, I got new bushings for the sway bar, not the control arm. Sorry about that. I got new bushing for the rack, which is this bushing right here. I got new brackets and rubber grommets for the brake lines, which came on the brake lines. Got a new sensor, brand new sensor for the power steering system. So got lots of parts from Toyota that I can show you guys. Just figured I'd let you know. So this is the motor that I'm going to be replacing. The gears inside here are plastic other than the actual motor gear. This gear is metal, so it goes from metal gear to a plastic set of gears. And $168 free shipping is actually a great deal, because these usually from Toyota are about $270. So it's always nice to be able to get OEM genuine parts. And I can tell this is OEM because the actual plug is OEM. It's got a brand new grommet, everything. So all I got to do is just unplug the old one, plug this one in, wire this through the firewall, or the inner quarter panel, through into the firewall, past the glove box, and then plug it into the stereo, which I'm going to be wiring a stereo in. I got a brand new stereo. Well, it's a brand new used Mavic 8200 NEX. So here's all the stereo stuff. I got the stereo sitting right here. It's the 8200 Pioneer Mavic 8200 NEX that I was bidding on eBay. Got that. Here's all the stuff I'm going to be installing for that. New wire harnesses and everything. So backup camera, all the multi-link cables and everything, the HDMI cables, everything. So got lots of things to do on this Limited, including the steering rack. I'm probably not going to record that. I can show you guys where all when I got everything installed, I can show you where all the brackets for these lines are, how the lines hook up. The low side line hooks up to this tube threads into the top port on this rack right here, threads in here, and then the bottom one is the high pressure side line. That one has its own coupler. I can show you where all these brackets go on the frame, and I'll show you, it's not really hard to get out. I also have the pump and everything under here. So the pump and everything's right there, already ready to be assembled. So that's all I got for you guys today. Look forward to a complete parts video where I got every part that I picked up in the last couple weeks from Toyota: bolts, hardware, nuts, washers, the little tube for the low pressure side, the antenna. I'll also include this in that video as well with its part number and everything. What I'm going to do with the old one, I'm going to take this cover off, and mine, you can tell it's old. This one actually says right here on it, Toyota Denso with part numbers, so this is a legitimate unit. I'm going to take the old one, take this motor off, take this housing apart again, try to re-clean it. Maybe I can fix the gears or find some gears, because I actually have two of these that are broken, where the unit, the actual main unit, is broken. The other one I took off my SR5. This motor is what died, not the innards. So I can take the innards out of that one, put it in the one I'm taking out of the Limited, and then I'll have a spare complete assembly, because that motor works really well on the Limited. It's just these gears are broken. So I'm going to take the old one that I got for pulled out of my SR5. I'm going to take the gears, the plastic gears out of it, switch it over to the one I'm going to take out of the Limited. This one's going to go into the Limited just to get it fixed and repaired for now, and then I can tear the two assemblies that I have apart. The one that comes out of the Limited, this motor is perfectly fine, so I'll take this motor and leave it on that assembly, and I'll just take the guts out of the SR5 one, put it in the Limited one to fix this, put another mast in it, and I'll have a complete assembly the next time it needs to be replaced. These do last pretty long. This died on my SR5 at it was in the truck for like 17.5 years when it finally gave up. But that's all I got for you guys today. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me. If you guys are interested in the complete parts list of all the parts, all bolts, washers, everything that I got from Toyota, including the grommet bracket and everything, if you guys are interested in any of that, as well as I'm going to put in that video, I'm going to record every Toyota part. So everything for the rack, everything for this, and everything else I got from Toyota, including the mast by itself, other parts here and there, like the part numbers for the rear diff lock switch, as well as the module, the computer module, and a few other items. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. If you guys are interested in that, keep a lookout for that. That will be the next video. Appreciate you guys stopping by. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And again, I will put the exact eBay store that I got this unit from, that I've purchased from him twice now, several years apart, almost 9 years apart, and always comes in an OEM box, as you can see. I'll put this in the description below for you guys if you guys need it. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. You guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!